Hi, how can I create YouTube channel thumbnail? Very easy, very simple in only 3 minutes. It's very easy. Thumbnail is very important for YouTube video. Go to start video. First go to Google, and after open the Google search YouTube, Google search, and search YouTube channel, YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail maker online. Now click here. Now clip in Canva. Canva is very good website for YouTube thumbnail maker. Click here. After that, click here in start design in YouTube thumbnail. Click here. Continue. After that, a Canva website is open. Now you can choose your favorite thumbnail and edit it. Waiting for that. It's very good website for video intro and everything. You can choose your favorite part which you want to make a thumbnail. Now you can choose your favorite thumbnail which you want to make same as like this thumbnail. American vlog, educational, entertainment, in every shape you want. This is the part of which thumbnail you want. Money, music, food, new year, in every way, in every eye, in AI, it's a new design which come to Google, and a lot of people use that. Now you can choose part of your thumbnail. Example for that, you can select it everything. Now we open this thumbnail and want to change the title in photo. Look at that, internet is slow, sorry. Look at that, we want to change this free online course. We change that to Arman Learning. It's changed it successfully. You can turn everywhere and move everywhere. Now click in that, and you can change everything in this photo, in this thumbnail, photo, text, everything. You can change that. We change that to writes YouTube learning course, and you can change everything in turn and go to everywhere in every design. It's very simple and very good website for every YouTuber. You can change everything: photo, text, animation, and stickers. After that, go to saved, downloads. You can download in your mobile. It's our first video in our channel. After that, support us. Thank you guys.